Tim and Sheds, Duck and Edward were having a bit of time to fuel up. Duck had heard from the grapevine that there was a visitor coming from America. But, as Edward promised, he wasn't really at liberty to say who the visitor was. But he could tell Duck that there was an old engine coming. But anyway, down to Duck and Edward. "Good afternoon, Duck," whistled Edward. "Ah, beg pardon, Edward. You look like you have a load on your buffers. Are you doing things the Great Western way?" Edward chuckled. "Very funny, Duck. Very funny." "I wish." Anyway. "Perhaps you heard the rumor spreading around. Yes, I have," said Duck. "Isn't it a very important visitor?" "Well," I thought. "Oh, I see where you're going with that," chuckled Edward. "No." "No, it's an old engine that's coming to visit. I'm sure you're already aware that Foxhill is coming back from York to visit." "Oh, yes," said Duck. "Too bad he's not in steam anymore." "Yeah, steam," said Edward. "I doubt the National Railway Museum is going to repair him. He's just a display piece. He stinks." "And the other visitor is Ventures from the Bluebell. I actually heard the package yesterday, talking to the Bluebell Railway." "Nice," said Duck. "I remember one of the times I was going out to the LNER, I met this Ventures bloke. He just thinks the Great Western way." "But yeah, he's a good bloke. He's a good friend. I bet he's happy to be coming back to see me. He's happy to come back to visit all of us," said Edward. "He's been here before. But now that he's back in steam, the Fat Control could use him on trains. Maybe he'll be on the Little Western with you for a bit during his visit." "Oh, that'll be marvelous," said Duck. "Oliver won't mind." "Of course Oliver won't mind." Edward. "Oliver gets on well with him." Exactly. I, who's say, said Duck. That it's tough. At times. Working a branch. That I agree with, said Edward. Because sometimes there's delays. By the way, the four-car branch line is getting on well. So the Norfolk quarries should close the dock? Yes. But that's okay. They're making do with what they have. Quarries can stay open forever. Triangle Lake quarries, lucky. They're been able to stay open as long as they have. What's gonna happen once the clay bit's closed, said Duck. Oh, Dad and his brother Devin will probably become shunters. Not a big deal. Factor owes them. Oh yeah, that's true. The guy was put out. Anyway, we must get back to work. Soon. What else did I word? You right about that. Are you done feeling up? Hey, I am done. Let's get back to Ellesmere, Bill. We got passengers to collect. Have fun with that, said Edward. And thank you all for watching. Yes, said Duck. Hopefully Edward's right about the visitor. He's a surprise for us all. Goodbye.